Good morning, my dear children. I am your Vichita Miss, your English teacher. And this is your online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. My dear children, I hope you have studied the new words and two question answers from the poem When Grandma Comes. I can see from your face that you are very much interested in reading this poem. Am I right? Yes. So, have you read the poem very well? Yeah. And now, we have to discuss the next two question answers from this lesson. Think and answer and section C activity. We will just discuss think and answer and section C. Okay. All of you please get ready with your notebook and textbook. My dear children, in our last class, we discussed the new words and two question answers. Now, third question. The end of the poem speaks about what everybody in the speaker's home does when grandma comes. What do they do? Can you answer this question? In the last stanza, we can see the happiness of the whole family, including the pet animals. Am I right? Yeah. So, what's the answer? Everybody is happy when grandma comes. The speaker's parents grin, the puppy barks, the cat mews, and the speaker laughs and spins. So, question. The end of the poem speaks about what everybody in the speaker's home does when grandma comes. What do they do? Yes, the answer. Everybody is happy when grandma comes. The speaker's parents grin, the puppy barks, the cat mews, and the speaker laughs and spins. Fourth question. Write a rhyming word from the poem for the words given below and add one more of your own. Write a rhyming word from the poem for the given words below and add one more of your own. My dear children, I have told you to underline the rhyming words from the poem. I hope all of you have done it. And here, there are three words. You have to find out the rhyming word from the poem and you have to add your own rhyming word. Add one more your own rhyming word. Okay. Here, answer thread. The rhyming words are from the poem gingerbread and another word red. Thread, gingerbread, red. Then hat. The hat, rhyming word cat. Cat is the rhyming word from the poem and I add another rhyming word mat. And third one chair. Hair. Hair is the rhyming word from the poem and I add another word pear. Okay. So thread, gingerbread, red, hat, cat, mat, chair, hair, pear. Next one, think and answer. What kind of person is grandma? Tell your teacher what you think with examples from the poem. Dear children, can you tell what kind of person is grandma? You can cite examples from this poem. Yes, grandma is a loving person. How can you understand it? Grandma is a loving person. Yeah, from the first stanza onwards, it is very clear. She brings so many gifts and food items to the family members and to the pet animals. Am I right? Yeah, then in the second stanza, we can see grandma do many things. Grandma does many things for the child. And after that, last stanza we can see that everyone in the family are very happy. Even the parent smiles, the poet laughs and turns round, and cat and dogs also show their happiness. From all this, it is clear that grandma is a loving person. We will discuss more about it in our live session. So, dear children, get ready to tell your own opinion about grandma. Okay. Section C. Speak to your class about your grandparents or an older person in your family. Tell the class any interesting information you want to share about the person. If possible, bring a photograph of the person. My dear children, it is an activity for you. You have to tell about your grandparents or an elder person of your family to your classmates, or during the class time you have to tell about your grandparents to the friends. If possible, bring a photograph. Now we are at home, so we can discuss about them in our live session. If possible, we can do it in our live session. So get ready to tell few sentences about your grandparents. Okay, and I have given you an activity from this lesson, subject enrichment activity based on this lesson. So do it and submit it on the time itself. Okay. Now we shall recite the poem once more. When Grandma Comes, written by Eileen Spinelli. When grandma comes, she likes to bring a little bit of everything. A puppy toy, some yellow thread, a tasty square of gingerbread, thick homemade soup, a knitted hat, a can of tuna for the cat, a couple pairs of woolen socks, chocolate cherries in a box, a picture book, a string of beads, a bag of crunchy pumpkin seeds. When grandma comes, she likes to sing and push me on the backyard swing and rock me in the rocking chair and read to me and brush my hair. She likes to dance me round the floor and walk me to the candy store and feed me soup by candlelight and tuck me into bed at night. When grandma comes, my parents grin, the puppy barks, I laugh and spin, the cat mews, the whole house hums on Saturday when grandma comes. Dear children, today we discussed the remaining 2 question answers and think and answer and section C activity. In section C, it is an activity for you. It is an interesting activity. You can do it. Okay. What kind of person is grandma? Can you tell about her? Yes, do one thing. Discuss about that grandma to your parents. And we will discuss about grandma on our live session. Okay. So, you have to study the new words and meanings of this lesson. Read the poem very well and study the question answers from this lesson. Okay, children? So, update the portions on time. That's all for today. Thank you.